Hello guys, welcome back to Gadget Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Huawei overheating problems and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you have to do is when the overheating of the devices might be due to some of the power bank of high output power. As you can see that in our charges it is written well that what is the capacity and how much it's able to take, but some of the people often create a problem, like when they're using the power bank they connect it with the higher output power, which can cause the issue. So you have to check in that way. There are also chances that the actual problem is not caused just because of installation of multiple game in the devices by customized setting. That can be an issue. As you can see here, I haven't installed anything. I have installed but not big games, so I don't even actually play games much, so there is no issue with that. So even in the Genshin Impact over here, it's actually for a video purpose which I took for the last couple of days ago, but I don't play. But in some cases people used to have a tendency, they play a lot, like Free Fire, PUBG and all those things, Fortnite, COD they used to play. Sometimes these can be the issue. Also the reason to this problem is nothing but the factors related to the environment around, so you have to check in that way. Check if a forced restart can help the issue exactly, which I suggest this used to be fixed, because for as far as I'm concerned, by doing a simple restart as well as a forced restart, this used to be fixed. And also you simply need to make sure that the actual problem is not just caused by the Huawei, or it is just caused by the power setting that are actually customized. That can also in the section, that can also be an issue. And also check and make sure the problem is not associated with the phone virus. As I said earlier, for the same as for the Realme devices, when I did the common issue for the Redmi, I have also mentioned when you're trying to download something, you use Play Store, or you should not be depending on any kind of applications. So if it depends on third-party application, you'll be having the trouble. So that is very important that you depend on the Play Store itself, because if you're having the malware, it's not really affecting your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but definitely affecting overall system, and it's also affecting the charging as well as many things are happening. So you have to take in that way. And also make sure any kind of previously installed app is actually a trouble creator. If so, you just have to delete the respective app from here. You have to delete the respective app, and once the app is deleted, then you just have to, what happens is you have to see whether the issue is solved or not, and if it's solved, you have to reinstall it back, and you have to install it once again and see whether the issue is solved or not. And also check if the problem is there just because your smartphone is running in the power saving mode all the time. Sometimes by enabling the power saving mode, this can be a big headache. This can affect the Bluetooth, this can affect the Wi-Fi data, mobile data, and overall performance. So I suggest you guys, you have to enable if the power saving mode is enabled. You have to disable it, and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably this has to be fixed. And many users have to face this problem just because of overheating of the devices. And also check if a charger you are using or having something wrong in with them. So as you can see, these are the chargers. So I'm using the original chargers. So what my point is, you have to use the original chargers. People have a tendency, they are depending on the ERD, which is causing the issue. But so suggest you, even if it costly a little bit, this used to come along with the boxes. But even if you got damaged it, or you are having any kind of issue, you can buy it from official stores or official things, and you'll be definitely can use this up. You will not be able to, or you should not be depending on the ERD cable or first copies. Definitely that will be having the issue. So this is what you have to do on the charging, because this can also bring the issue. So your smartphone might not be releasing, or it's not be having heat generated by the phone hardware inside, which means hardware issues can cause the issue. And this is also what happens in some cases. So, and also make sure that you are having any kind of updates on your phone, which means OS update. You just have to do the update. Okay, as I said earlier, if you're having any update, just update the phone, and most probably by updating, the issue has to be fixed. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having overheating problems on your Huawei. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.